Hi, it's Jay. And I wanted to show you a fun new product. It's not actually that new. It's something that FernTrust has been doing for years. But I've fallen in love with it because I'm making a special recipe for it and I want to add it to the Jay's Bouquet collection. You've probably seen Jay's Bouquets. It's available at grocery stores nationwide now, and there are 12 different bouquets. Each one has a different theme, each one has a different color range, and there's a story that goes behind each one. And you can catch those shows on uBloom if you want to learn about Hidden Meadows or Blooms a Go Go or Pinky Swear or Cream in Your Coffee. Those are all examples of Jace bouquets. But when people start to arrange flowers, one of the things that I think you've noticed when you've watched many of the live videos is the fact that we create a structure inside the vase, and that helps us arrange flowers better. And that structure is usually done with foliage. And so it was a perfect opportunity. For many years now, FernTrust has been creating fabulous foliage bouquets. And they are bouquets that come in all different sizes that are an assortment of foliage. And so what I did was I worked with my friends there to create a Jay's bouquet, green bouquet. So this is a special selection of all Florida foliages, all grown in the USA. So it's American grown. Got the little logo on it right here. And these are beautiful Florida foliages that have been placed into a bouquet. Now, the cool part about this is it could be just a bouquet of greens by itself, because I'm crazy about that too. You know, the trend we're seeing right now in people having plants in their homes. The interesting thing about foliage in your homes is that foliage in a vase will do the same thing in health and wellness benefits. It's going to exchange carbon dioxide and it's going to transpire oxygen. It's going to make us feel better when we look at it. The green color is enticing. It's wonderful. And so what I did was I worked with my friends at FernTrust to create this bouquet. And it looks like this. So it comes in a sleeve, right? It's got a sleeve and they're banded down here at the bottom. And I wanted to just go through it and show you what this green bouquet looks like. So sleeve comes off. And we've got this beautiful bouquet. Now, one of the things that I do love about it is look at this variegated foliage in here. We've got some variegated aspidistra. We've got some beautiful variegated pittosporum. We've got ruscus. We've got lily grass inside here. We've also got Remora andianthifolis. Remora andianthus. Remora anianthus. I think that's correct. Leatherleaf. I know people call it leatherleaf. And I like to refer to it as Florida fern, okay? Because that's the best place in the world to grow that fern. And fern is so popular right now. We're seeing it on pillows. We're seeing it on wallpapers. We're seeing it on dinnerware. We're seeing it in decorative accessories. So fern is a really important part about what we're doing. So this also has beautiful Florida fern around the outside. And so the bouquet comes like this, and that's what it looks like. And we can do all sorts of things like this. We could drop it into a vase and add a few flowers. We could use it as at the professional level for a florist, to use it as the greenery we might use to base in a container that we were creating in foam. The great part about that is we've controlled the cost of goods that are involved in this beautiful bouquet. But I think that it's, pretty even by itself. And so this is what the bouquets look like. The Jay's Bouquet from FernTrust has the variegated aspidistra, the ruscus, the variegated pittosporum, the lily grass, and the Florida fern around the outside. And it's a beautiful little bouquet. So I just wanted to introduce you to it in part one of this series. And part two, we'll make an arrangement in a vase and show you how this might look standing alone in a vase. And in part three, we'll make an arrangement in foam and show you how we could use this as the mechanics for a foam-based arrangement too. So you got lots of different choices that you can do with it. Obviously, it's just a great thing. And wouldn't it be great to be able to pick this up at the grocery store when you have flowers in your garden? Or if you wanted to take this over to a friend's house and you wanted to drop it into a vase and then pick up a bouquet of flowers, or take a few other flowers with you and drop those into the vase. And suddenly you have an instant arrangement that you can give somebody. So that's the idea behind the Jay's Bouquet green bouquet from our friends at FernTrust. I hope you like it, and stay tuned for parts 2 and 3 about Jay's green bouquet.